we are back again with none other than Zoshin.
Zoshin!
And this is a live performance, so let's get started because we all know Zoshin is a great singer and we
Let's
are very
go.
excited. Wow. Okay. Starting is already
Jamaric sound.
nice. Wow. Okay. Nice.
Wow.
Really nice. Wow. Whoa.
Wow.
This is like his female voice.
Yeah.
And this is so nice and sweet and soft and edgy.
He's like an angel, man.
He's an angel, man.
This is cool.
Straight out of heaven. Wow. Okay, wow. Whew. Wow. The moving background looks so pretty and cool.
Wow. Looks like a dreamy sequence.
Yeah.
Wow, man. How?
He actually knows how to like modulate his voice to the
Yeah.
point he can sing
So emotional
well.
touch
And of course there is an emotional touch and it's
and
sweet.
sweet.
It is kind of like he's like a magician.
Yeah.
He's like a
Voice
great
magician.
Yeah,
Voice,
he's a magician.
Vocal magician.
He's a
Vocal
vocalist.
magician.
Man.
He's a great vocal, true vocal. No,
How
like
amazing
except
he
for
is.
admiration, there will be nothing you will feel for him.
Yeah.
There is pure admiration, literal pure admiration towards him. Like he is something else, man. He's not a human.
He's an angel.
He's not a human.
He's more than
Wow.
human being.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. He's not a human. Wow.
Wow.
It's like when God was making him, they poured everything inside him.
Yeah,
Like seriously,
beauty
like
and
think, like
essence of-
just think about it. It is so like, wow,
So much. Ooh.
wow. Oh my God,
Wow.
it's so
True art.
seriously. Oof.
Soothing. Calming and soothing.
No, you will like feel a lot of stuffs as well,
Yeah.
which you will not be able to like say.
Yeah. Now he's getting energetic.
Yeah. High notes. Oof.
Oh man.
Seriously.
shocked.
He always do that. He always
Man,
do that.
he's just shocked.
He always does that. Wow.
Shocking performance.
Wow. Just
Feel it.
exactly. Wow.
We don't know the language, but the way he's singing and
It's like he's
he's convincing us to
he-
believe in him.
When you listen this type of song and you sing it again.
Joshin.
And Jushin, you are
Megas.
legend. Okay.
Yeah.
And when you listen this type of song, you think your journey. Okay.
Yeah.
So I feel something. Okay.
Wow.
we all
That's
actually the
really
song
good.
made us feel something which actually not we are not able to process it right now and
But-
also be able to speak it out loud, not possible quite, but
We're feeling
he
it.
does something
That's
that is he always does, like he always does this with every song he sings.
No
Like
words to say.
seriously, there is nothing but admiration.
Oh.
There is nothing but admiration, honestly. Nothing but admiration.
Thank you, Joshin.
And I love him, and his performances are very well. Like it's top tier level singing.
Yeah.
Top tier level singing. Thank you so much, Joshin, for coming into our lives, for
Yeah.
coming into the singing world. Seriously, Thank you. Anyhow, thank you so much if you're till watching it right now. And if you have liked this video, do
And
like
subscribe
and-
for Joshin, okay?
Yes, do
Subscribe for
subscribe
Joshin.
because we do a lot of Joshin's live performance reactions, and one of our goal is to watch this kind of live performance actually
In live.
in live. So, yeah,
make us do that.
make us do that. Thank you so much, and till then, bye bye. Subscribe.